Hey traders, Jason here with a Day Trading Fearless. In this video, I'm going to talk about another day trading setup for Thinkorswim. I will share the link down below in the description if you want to upload this trade setup to your own platform. Just click on the link and then you should be able to download it. And hopefully this will help you out, but this is kind of one of the things that I use. I'm always playing around with new trade platforms, or not platforms, but trade platform setups and all that. So before we begin, do me a favor, hit the like button and subscribe. And also, if you want to check out my website, daytradingfearless.com. There's a link down below in the description, or go to daytradingfearless.com for my S&P E-mini weekly trade zones and video course, 7 hours of video education content. Only $99 for a lifetime subscription, one-time payment. So if you're looking for a new strategy, anything like that, make sure you check that out. But let's jump right into this video. So over here, this is going to be under charts and then flex grid. Okay, and then from here, this is a 1 minute candle, or sorry, a 1 minute chart, 2 days. Okay, you could see. And what we have on here is the MACD histogram, okay, and also the fast stochastics. This is where I look for divergences, kind of the bigger picture of what's going on. I also have my first hour high and low with Fibonacci extensions. And then also my value area high and low from the previous day. What I use to get this is actually this chart right here. Let's see if it pulls up. Oh, actually, it's this chart right here. The same thing, so you could do this in the evening, like right now. I'm doing this after hours, just wherever the value area high and low is. That is essentially what that box is. So I'll do another video kind of explaining how to set that up and all that. So, but I also have a VWAP high and low anchored. Okay, that's what these purple lines and red lines are for. They act really good as support or resistance levels, kind of when certain things line up. They're really powerful. I also have them on my 5-minute chart and 15-minute chart, and also the 512 tick chart. So really powerful tool once you learn how to use it. Another thing that I do have on this chart that's really cool is prior swing high and swing lows, right? So it kind of gives me my little prior swing highs, swing lows from 5 bars back. If you want to show more of them, just go into the studies. And you'll be able to edit inside the study how many days back. So just go studies. It's going to be this swing high / low. And if you 5 bars back, if you want to do 10, 15, whatever, play around with it. But number of swings displayed, I have 2. I don't want to kind of put too much stuff on the chart, so I only see the last 2. And the way I like to use is if we rally up into this, I will look for a potential short if Fibonacci's kind of line up and other things from maybe a swing high, swing low. Like if I saw the market start to turn around, hey, look, this lines up right with the 50 or something. I have multiple things going on there. The next chart that I have is my 512 tick chart. Kind of look for trends, things like that. Look for divergences or for pullbacks. If I feel like, hey, we're making lower highs, lower lows, and we rally back, there's something here that I like, and here I'll look for that potential short. Again, it's just something that I watch. Over here is my 15-minute today only chart. And I actually have a new code. I'll also do another video on what this code is, but it's essentially the previous candle's high, 50% and low. Okay, or the high, 50% low, and then the previous candle's range of that bar, right? So this entire range is now right there. Down here, I have my holy grail that I call my 3-minute today only market profile. I love this chart. If I can only have one chart, that would be the chart. It tells you so much information, gives you really good opportunities for scalping and things like that. And then I also have my 5-minute chart, same exact thing. Previous candles high, 50% low, and the pullback. So it's saying previous candle is 3, the range of it, and that's essentially all it is. So I can know if it's a large range, low range, where to put my entries, exits, things like that very quickly. And what else? I love using the 5-minute. I'm watching for waterfalls and reverse waterfalls with these. I'm also looking for potential prior resistant levels, zoom out, things like that. Okay, hey, when we're down here, if I see, hey, we're starting to rally back up, where could price potentially stall or pull back at, things like that. Also, when I zoom in, if I see, hey, we're starting to break out over here, if I see we're going from here all the way up here, I will look for a pullback on this candle, kind of expecting us to go up to this VWAP or something. Pullbacks, I like to watch for pullbacks over here on the 15-minute. Like right here, we're kind of bullish, right? Normally, I'd look for a pullback right around the 50% level. That's kind of the best trade for a quick little bounce if that lines up with multiple other things. So I'm looking for multiple things of confluence and all that. But again, this is just a great all around, because I use a laptop, that's it, to trade from, so I don't have 10 screens. So I try and put as much relevant information. And I also kind of just walked you through of how I look for things. I'm looking for multiple things to line up. Maybe this lines up with this on a pullback, right? And then maybe a 50% here with a point of control, whatever. All these little confluences just help me to be patient and wait for that perfect trade setup. We only need to make 1 or 2 trades a day. So again, hopefully this video will help you guys. I will leave a link down below. Also, make sure you check out my website, daytradingfearless.com, for more information with my video course and all that. But as always, thank you for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.